If your makeup bag looks like a time capsule from the 90s, you're a beauty boss. Today, we're nailing that iconic supermodel look. Alright, first things first, we're going matte. Grab a full coverage matte foundation to get that smooth, flawless base. Now, for soft contouring, just a bit on your cheekbones and jawline. The key is subtlety here. Think natural rather than sharp. Next, let's talk brows. The 90s were all about those thin brows. Use a thin pencil or faux thin brow products to shape them. If your brows are fuller, just fill them in lightly to mimic that 90s vibe. On to the eyes. Neutral matte shades are our best friends today. A light beige or soft brown on the lids will do the trick. Blend well for a soft gradient, and remember, no glitter. Keep it understated but sultry. Now for the lips. Define them with a brown lip liner and fill in with a nude lipstick that's slightly lighter than your natural lip color. Overline slightly at the cupid's bow for that perfect supermodel pout. Finally, keep the eye makeup minimal. Just a coat of mascara and maybe a bit of dark brown liner along the waterline if you're feeling it. Avoid heavy eyeliner or dramatic lashes. We want sultry and effortless. And there you have it, the iconic 90s supermodel look. Subtle, soft glam that still makes a statement. Hope you loved this throwback look. If you're into nostalgic beauty trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite 90s beauty trend is. Catch you next time on Council Craft.